from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have an AC Ace steering wheel. Dates from the 1950s and came in with multiple cracks, particularly around the ends of the spokes where the wells aren't very good when they manufactured them. So we stripped the rim off, re-welded the spokes here and recast the new rims. It's got these multiple finger grips on the back of it. We also stripped and recoated the boss, and we also fixed the Blumels adjusting nut here on the back of the steering wheel, which had various sort of mold grip come wrench grips on it over its life to undo it. But that's an AC Ace.